Exercise. Start a mindfulness practice with a 10 to 15 meditation session. If you put a timer on your phone and you close your eyes and you're sitting up right on your floor, laying on your bed, whatever, and you just kind of zone out and you meditate, that 10 to 15 minutes is going to go by super fast. I do not recommend you put 5 minutes. I recommend you put 10 or more, because the 5 minutes is going to go by super fast, way too fast to really get anything out of it. I like to put 20 minutes on whenever I do mine, because I feel like I'm really actually getting into the areas that I want to. But that's your exercise. Start a mindfulness practice with a 10 to 15 minute meditation session. Remember, you're reading an article first about what mindfulness really is and self-reflection. You're implementing that within your meditation. And then journal. Reflect on your initial experiences with mindfulness and any immediate observations during that time. I recommend you get a journal. You can get them, I think, like $1.50 at Walmart. Maybe up more, depending on if you want to go a little nicer. But do that and put your day and then write the experience of this, because, again, we're going to reflect on this later. Day 2, identifying conscious thoughts. The assignment, exercise, observe and record your thoughts throughout the day using a journal or note-taking app.